How to log out of your Telegram on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of Telegram on your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, all you have to do is tap on the settings option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to the settings page where you'll have to tap on the edit option on the top right corner of your screen. Now you will be taken to your edit profile page where if you look closely you can see the option logout right over here, which is in red. So simply tap on it and then it'll ask you whether you are sure you want to log out of your account. So make sure you know that logging out deactivates all secret chats. So if you have some secret chats, remember that this will deactivate all of them. So once you're okay with that, tap on the option log out and then a pop-up will appear asking you whether you are really sure you want to log out. So simply tap on the option OK and there you have it. So that is basically how you log out of Telegram on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.